This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Christy Young. Near town center, movie, shopping, restaurants. Easy access to interstate/bases/oceanfront. End unit features 2 master suites upstairs west/full baths and walk-in closets. Waterproof laminate wood downstairs. Wood burning fireplace. Open floor plan, tons of natural light. Move-in ready, freshly painted throughout west/washable Sherman Williams latex. Private privacy fenced patio west/large storage shed backs up to lush Thalia Creek. Amenities include community pool, grounds mint, water, trash, reserved parking and more. ADT security system is not connected and conveys as is. For more